Hi friends, welcome to Green World. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is staying safe, healthy, cool in this hot summer season. And kids, I brought a recipe which is very favorite for you, that is fish kababs. So let us go into the ingredients what are needed for this recipe. Boneless fish, ginger garlic paste, bread, egg, garam masala, salt, red chili powder and oil. This is a very favorite dish which can be eaten as snacks or which can be taken as second dish with sambar or any other gravy curry. And these kababs can also be eaten as snacks with tomato sauce. Every kid will like this, and fish is very good, rich in nutrients. Let us go into the process. First, boil the pieces in water and remove the bones from the fish. If it is a boneless fish, it is fine, but if you have a little thorns or any tiny thorns in the fish, so please let us remove all the thorns from the fish, so that when kids or your children are eating, it should not get stuck in your mouth. Later, crush the bread into pieces and then add ingredients one by one into the mixture. First, let us add ginger garlic paste and then garam masala. You can use chicken masala powder also for this if you don't have garam masala. Very easy ingredients, you can cook it. Turmeric powder, salt as much needed according to your taste, and red chili powder, that is also according to your taste, you can add. Here I have taken half kg fish. For that you need 1 egg and just 5 slices of bread. Now let us mix all the ingredients into the fish so that every ingredient get mixed, and after that you make a shapes like this, like bullets. Bullets are very favorite for children, so make like this. You can make round also, but bullets will be nice to look at. After heating the oil, add these bullets into the oil. First, you must one good tip is you have to add little amount of salt. Otherwise, after getting fried, the salt may be excess. Add little amount of salt, that will be enough. So now the oil gets boiled and these are getting cooked, that is fried. You must wait until they get brown color, that is golden brown color, and just reverse it when one side is completely fried. They are getting fried very nicely. The children will like this dish very much, and the fish is a very good nutritious value food dish, and it contains omega fatty acid, vitamin E, cod liver oil, which is very good for your heart, and also eyes, and it is a good supplement for bones. One bad thing is it is getting fried in the oil. If any kids are not liking to eat fish curry with gravy or fish fry, by making fear that they have tiny bones in the fish, for them you can make kababs like this and you can keep them. So now we got golden brown color, we can take out from and dish out. So in this way we can serve the children with tomato sauce, and they can be eaten as a second dish for sambar and other gravy curries. I hope you like this video, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For the first viewers, again I request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends for watching. God bless you all.